Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see difference between string, string buffer, and string builder in Java. So these are the commonly asked question in Java interviews. I will try to simplify this because many people forgot this concept at the time of the interview. String, string buffer, and string builder. There is a slight difference between string buffer and string builder that we are going to see in this video. So first we will understand what is string. So immutability first we will see. String objects are immutable, meaning once the string object is created, it cannot be modified. Means once we have created string object, it cannot be modified, and modification to the string result in the creation of new object. So it will create new object in the string constant pool. So string objects is immutable. So if we try to modify, that will create new object in the string constant pool. So next is the string buffer. String buffer is a mutable means we can modify this object, string buffer object, and it is created without creating new objects. This makes it more efficient for operation that involve frequent modification. Whenever we want to modify something, at that time we will use string buffer. And string builder is also same, but there is a slight change. String buffer and string builder is also mutable and allows modification. So these both allow modification. The next difference, we are going to see what is difference in this string buffer and string builder in next point. Here we see performance. String objects are immutable. They can be slower when performing multiple modification. For example, we are doing concatenation operation on the string objects. So it will be slower as each modification create new objects. So it will create new objects. So that's why it is slow as compared to string buffer and string builder. So string buffer is generally faster than string when performing multiple modification because it has methods like append, insert, or replace operation, and it doesn't create new object in each modification. Means if we try to use this insert update methods on the string buffer, it won't create a new objects, it will modify this string buffer. So string builder is generally faster than string buffer because it is not synchronized. So synchronization required one thread to wait. So that's the reason it is faster than the string buffer. This means it has less overhead, making it more efficient for single threaded operations. And so string buffer, this is the difference between string buffer and string builder. String buffer is synchronized and string builder is not synchronized. Then next we are going to see thread safety. String objects are inherently thread safe due to their immutability because these string objects are immutable, so they are thread safe. No synchronization is required to the string objects when using them across multiple threads. Whenever we are using in it string in multiple threads, no synchronization is required. Then string buffer is thread safe because all of its method are synchronized. So string buffer all method are synchronized. So like append, like concat, these all methods are synchronized. This means that only one thread can modify string buffer object at a time. So string buffer, only one thread will be accessible. Another thread will require to wait until the first thread will release the lock. That's why it is thread safe. Then string builder is not thread safe. It is not synchronized. So string builder, this is not thread safe because it is not synchronized. So it should not be used in a multi-threaded environment. So whenever multi-threaded environment, the string buffer is preferred as compared to string builder. So multi-threaded environment without external synchronization. Then usage we will see suitable for suitable for use cases where the content is not going to change. Whenever our content means our string is not going to change, at that time we will use string. And the string buffer ideal for use in multi-threaded environment. So we can use string buffer in multi-threaded environment because it is a thread safe nature. Then string builder suitable for scenario where high performance is needed and thread safety is not concerned. So this is the point to remember. Whenever performance is needed and thread safety is not concerned, at that time we will use string builder, such as in a single threaded application. Here if we see example, string str equal to hello, str equal to str dot concat, and it will word. we have used. So new string hello world is created str now refer to the new object. So it will create new object inside a SCP. So I have created separate video on SCP. If you don't know how to SCP works, you can watch, link I will provide in the description. Then string buffer SB equal to new string buffer hello we are creating and SB dot append. So it will modify this SB and SB dot append, it will print, it will modify the original string object and it will give result as a hello word. Then string builder also we can modify. Similarly, it will give us a hello world as a output. Then in short, we will see string. String is immutable, thread shape slower for frequent modifications. String buffer, mutable, thread shape slower due to synchronization. And string builder, mutable, not thread shape, faster for single threaded operation. These are the use cases we can go with string, string buffer, and string builder. String, whenever you mutability want, you can use string. Whenever you want thread shape, you can use string buffer, and string whenever your performance you want in your application, you can use string builder. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you gain some knowledge from this. If you like the content of the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you, guys.